It's Friday math time. Our goal today is I will solve problems by using this skill, make reasonable estimates. Today's math will be kind of fun. It's a little different than what we've been doing. We're not actually going to be reading a clock. We are going to be making reasonable estimates. So make sure you have page 289 out right now. It should look just like Miss Ishens's does. On the very top, we're going to put our name and our last name, like we practiced yesterday as well. At the very top, it says problem solving worksheet. The first one I'm going to walk through with you. Mrs. Marshall is planning a trip to the zoo. She needs to estimate how long each part of the trip will last. About how long will it take for everyone to get on the bus? It says about 5, and we know it can take about 5 minutes or about 5 hours. To load the bus, would it be reasonable to say it would take about 5 hours? No, that would be longer than our morning at school. It would take about 5 minutes to load the bus. About how long will it take to see the animals? Will it take about 2 minutes or about 2 hours? About 2 hours. If it took about 2 minutes, that would be the fastest field trip ever. It would take about 2 hours to see all of the animals at a zoo. I'm going to go through this first page with you. We're going to make reasonable estimates for about how long it will take, either in minutes or in about hours. To visit a friend, would it take about 2 minutes or 2 hours? We're going to say visiting a friend means going over to their house and having a little play date, not just visiting, like talking to them. It would take about 2 hours. By the time you got to their house and did a craft or played a game, it would be about 2 hours. How about to eat a pear? Would it take about 8 hours or about 8 minutes? It would take about 8 minutes. If it took about 8 hours, that would be longer than your sleep time. Yikes! How about getting dressed? Would that take about 10 hours? Or about 10 minutes? Let's hope it takes about 10 minutes. That would be more reasonable. How about to do a large puzzle? Would that take about 2 minutes? Or about 2 hours? A large puzzle meaning like 100 or more pieces. It would probably take about 2 hours. Now this question on the bottom. How are minutes and hours different? Well, we know that there's 60 minutes in 1 hour. So that must mean that minutes are shorter than hours, or hours are much longer than minutes because there's 60 of those minutes in 1 hour. Now what I want you to do is keep making these reasonable estimates. Complete 1 through 8 on the back. I believe this won't take you very long, but let me know if you have any questions. I love to help. Miss you guys.